Here is the supply list for this video. You may want to pause your video at this point just for a moment to take note. We will be using the supplies as they are listed in this order, so it is easier to follow along. Right now, I'm drawing bands of yellow diagonally across the stone to create texture. In a little bit, you'll see that I outline these strokes using my sunburst yellow and my ochre brulee as well. Now you'll notice that I'm filling in the spaces between my yellow strokes with my ochre brulee. I'm trying to create the dimension that you see in a tiger eye that gives it sort of that pearlescence. About now, you're going to want to make sure that your pencil's really sharp, because what we're going to begin to do is to create striations using the ochre brulee sort of against the grain of the stone itself that we've already developed. This is going to help provide sort of that iridescence when you take a tiger eye and turn it from side to side that you'd see. Now I'm going to begin to use some of my darker colors to add some of the details that you'll notice when you're looking at a tiger eye stone. A lot of times we'll see lines and flecks in between the other colors. So this is just sort of something to jazz it up a little bit. I'm going to use my darks just to deepen some of the lines that I've already created to create a little bit more depth. Using some bright colors like yellows and oranges in a second layer can really kind of enhance the stone. So if my stone is looking a little bit dull, I might just at this point add a little bit more just to create more dimension. Now, just for a pop of warmth that will really set this stone off, I'm using a little bit of scarlet. You'll see what a difference just a little bit of color makes. If you'd like to add a little bit more reflection other than just using the ones that I've provided in this printout, you can use a gel pen. The one that I'm using here is my Signo Uniball gel pen, and it's a broad one, so it comes out kind of quickly and thick, which works well for this purpose. And the last step before I call this gem complete would be to sort of go around my highlights a little bit with some of my darker colors to create more of that core shadow that gives the stone itself some dimension, and it'll make those reflected lights pop just a little bit, and that's going to sort of set the stone off in the end. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you've found it informative. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can watch other videos like skin tones and other gems that I will have coming soon. Thanks a lot. By the way, if you're interested in Glamourista, the book itself, there is a link in the information that goes along with this video. It's available on Amazon now. Thanks!